Hey, it's Jeff again with Family Legacy Estate Sale. Back a few weeks ago, we got a large collection of toys from a collector who has moved to Japan and was paying storage here in the United States. He had a large storage facility just loaded from floor to ceiling with boxes and bins of toys. Vintage up until 2022, I think, is pretty much when he stopped buying. And lots of really cool stuff. And we've been opening these bins and boxes on camera, so you can see what we're going to have available for you on our website, which is www.familylegacyestatesale.com. So without talking any further, we're going to dive into another box here. This is really kind of a treasure hunt for us because we just bought boxes and bins in bulk. And we just kind of saw what was on top when we would open a box, but we have really no idea what's at the bottom of a lot of these bins and boxes. So it's kind of cool for us as well. Anyway, we're gonna jump right into this big box we just got here and open up the top, see what's in here. And looks like we have Mobile Suit Gundam Unicorn, Sinanju. Looks like it's a model of some type. Bandai. Doesn't look like it's been touched at all. It's not started, so that is very cool. I'm gonna try to tip this over. Oh, we have another TR5 Harpy Norma. Crusher Joe, that's another model kit, I believe. All brand new, not started. In this collection, we have a lot of items that are, I'm gonna tip this over a little bit so I don't have to keep reaching over. See what's there. It looks like another model kit. Ashimar, some kind of robot. And then we've got Dragon Ball. I assume that's from Dragon Ball Z, but it's another model kit. This is a lower end for younger people kit. And we have another one, that's Dragon Ball. Another model kit. And this looks like there's a lot of model kits in here. Another Dragon Ball model kit. Let's take a look at that one, make sure it looks complete, unused. And let's see, we got some bigger stuff again. MS-05 Zaku 1. Another model kit. Again, untouched. Oops, that didn't work. Kavarov Nikolaev. Robot model kit of some type. Again, an untouched model kit. Somebody who likes to build models love this stuff. I think we got nothing but models in here. We're gonna try to tip this and keep it outside. I was not having any success before. NRX Ashimar model. RMS 117 Galbaldi model. And we got one that's still somewhat an outer wrap from somebody. A Mackerel model kit, Soltic H404S. I'm assuming that a lot of this is Gundam, although I don't know that for sure. Anti-aircraft pack mounted type, Dougram. This one is also, as you can see, brand new, never been touched. And we've got a few more. We've got Soltic, same name, the Bushman model. Reinforced pack mounted type. Yeah, everything is brand new. Got quite a few more models in here, and they're getting bigger as we get to the bottom of the box. MSK008 Dijeh, D-I-J-E-H. Gosh, they look like Gundam. I don't see the name Gundam on here, but they do look like Gundam figures. RMS 106 Hizak. This one does say Gundam on it. Okay, I'm guessing the vast majorities are Gundam. And then we've got MSM08 Zogak Unicorn model kit. Being buried in model kits here. And this is also, oh, this one just clearly says Gundam RX 178 Gundam Mark II. Again, brand new. We've got one here that's in a bag, and it says something SR5 Siren anime kit. This, it's by Takara. I can't see a date or year on it, but just by the packaging, it looks so different. I'm guessing this is more of a vintage item. I could be wrong, but I'm thinking maybe from the 80s, because it doesn't look anything like the rest of these. RMS 119 EWAC Zack, all factory sealed. Model kit, and then we got a much larger one here by Bandai. RMS 108 model kit. Let's see what's in here. And probably hard to see on the film, but it's never been touched. And there's one more. And this is also, this one says Gundam on it. AMS 123XK Moon Gundam. So for you Gundam collectors and model aficionados, this is a great box. These will all be up for sale, as I said, on our website, www.familylegacyEstateSale.com, and keep an eye out for our videos on YouTube or Facebook or Instagram. We'll talk soon.